makeup. Today I am going to make a Republic Day craft. So come on, let's start. So friends, we are going to make a Republic Day cap. You can also use it for Independence Day. Here I have a long strip of white paper. I know everyone can't have a long strip of white paper. So I have cut A4 size paper in small pieces and sticked it like this. The length of the paper is according to the size of your head. I have taken around 60 centimeters so that I can also stick it freely. The width of this paper is 3 centimeters. I have also taken green and orange paper with the width 1 centimeter. I am going to put the orange color paper on top of the white color paper on the side and the green color paper on the bottom of the white color paper. Now I am going to stick it. After sticking, you can trim the edges if there is size difference. So friends, as I said, I finished sticking and here it is. Now I have a piece of paper by the size 16 by 8 centimeter. I have marked the middle on both sides. Now I am going to put the point here and draw a semicircle. Now we have to cut this semicircle. Now from the bottom measure 3 centimeters. Now draw a semicircle from here to here and here to here. I have two pieces of paper. The width of this is 5 centimeters. The height, it can be anything, but it should be a little above the ends of paper. Now I am going to stick both these papers over here. Now turn it like this and cut the remaining parts. Friends, after sticking, I see only half of the semicircle here. The other I hid behind the paper. Now we have to again draw over here on the paper. Now cut into small strips. Now I have cut into small strips. Spread gum like this over here. Now keep this over here on the edge like this and stick it up like this. So friends, now let's draw a chakra. I have a medicine cap here. Please try this at home for this Republic Day and enjoy. Please like and share this video. If you haven't still subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon and all options. Bye bye. Thanks.